Hey guys, and this is a number plate frame which I purchased for my scooter Yamaha Ray Zeta. So few showrooms give this part as an extra accessories. If not, we have to get it from other local shops. So if you're gonna purchase it for scooter, both the front and the rear would be in the same size. So it will be of two piece where you have to keep your number plate inside and lock it. So you have a lot of ample of holes available. Also you could mount it in the center or on the top. So number plate frame would be of two piece where you have to mount this part to the vehicle and keep your number plate over here and lock it with this other part. And this is my new vehicle which I'm gonna fix the number plate frame. So in my vehicle actually this bumper grill is in between, so I have to rotate it upside down and fix. And I will suggest you guys to go for SS bolts and nuts because it won't get rust soon. So as I didn't have a tripod, I couldn't take a video of this. So it's simple, just keep the back plate, tighten it with your bolts and fix your number plate and the top frame. So the reason why I fixed it upside down is because this grill actually is coming in between. That's why I have to turn the frame upside down and fix. So to avoid some rattling noise in this number plate, try using some double side tape at the back of the number plate so that it won't rattle. So the same process goes for the rear number plate. You have to mount it over in these two slots. And another tip is if both the holes are not aligning properly, just take your screwdriver, keep it on a gas stove and put holes so that it will be easy for you to fix. So it's the same process, just tighten up the base frame, keep your number plate and keep the top frame and lock it. And another thing I would suggest you guys is use some double side tape at the back or heat glue or and another thing I would suggest is use some double side tape on the metal plate and just fix it in the back so that it won't rattle. Also you could use some Fevibond for that frame so it won't loosen or come out easily. So the benefit on this number plate frame is first one is the aesthetical look, and second one is when you're wiping or cleaning your vehicle, so the metal borders will scrape your hand and some injuries might happen. So this frame actually prevents it from that. So thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more contents.